Good morning. Tristan and I are up early this morning. Ready to get wet, T-Blaine? He's not happy with Grandpa right now. I woke him up too early. We had a long Christmas dinner.
I'm definitely not a morning person.
He takes after his grandpa. Neither one of us are morning people. But we got to do what we got to do. We're going on an adventure this morning. I'm taking him out for another little Christmas present this morning. And yeah, he's usually pretty good about doing what Grandpa says because we have fun. He's turning into quite the diver. The mead was sweet enough to get up and cook us breakfast. And we are loading gear. We'll see y'all later at the dive site. You gonna miss us?
I'm gonna miss y'all so much. Jealous.
Hi, Christmas. Good to see you.
Nah, good to see you.
Good to see you. You
I
coming
brought
to
the
dive?
little one. Yeah, we're coming to dive with you.
Excellent.
My people, that's our boat. And then on the dock we have lined up the tanks.
Good stuff.
If you use nitrox, you need to grab the tank that has a green cap and the percentage of oxygen is 32. If you use air, there's a tank that has a blue cap. Please bring your gear over there, put all the gear together and make sure that you have a full tank. Then you close it and despressurize the system, okay? If you have wetsuits, you can put it until here, and then on the boat you have time to put all the way up. Things, computer, camera. Things that you want to keep dry or valuable stuff, you can bring them because we have a nice dry hatch on board and we can put everything there. If you have water bottles, please bring them.
You know they
A jug so we can
shut this down a few months ago because there's an alligator in here. He was right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Just going to give you some safety features on our boat. So this is a rib. It is a rugged inflatable boat. So it has an aluminum hull and a nice Hypalon rubber half tube. So if you've seen the ribs, they have usually the full tube. This is a half tube, so it makes it much nicer getting into the water. So you're not bouncing off of that tube or anything.
First time ever? Move that hair.
Made it.
I need that haircut. Flavia's working hard. She's not at Belmar no more.
by law. Why? Because it's a big food source for a lot of marine life that comes here at night to sleep. Then they wake up, they have some breakfast, and they make their way out towards the reef. Here we have Sorobon Bay, which is a paradise for windsurfers. So far I only see one, and one that is doing...
Wing
okay,
four.
perfecto. This is the Kraken housing. The design of the house. Thank you. That's a huge selling point.
Rocking and a rolling. East Coast diving, baby. stuff, T? He's smiling, you just can't see it because of his hair. Beautiful car. Ready, T?
Okay.
Getting loaded up.
I cannot get that close because otherwise I will get tangled with my SMB. But in that hole there's a lot of cracks and holes. Sometimes there's nice school of fishes there. Also if you look up because it's sunny season.
disappointed we didn't see no turtles though. Or a seahorse. Didn't see a seahorse either, Tristan. Or a bat-winged crab. Baby.
What we saw, can you remind me?
And the second dive? Oh, well, let me start for the second one. We saw tarpons, spotted scorpion fish, the peacock flounder, conch shells, barracuda, and then a queen ocean triggerfish, a lot of turtles. This is seahorse.
Seahorse? Did we see them?
This was the turtle.
Turtle?
This is a seahorse.
And what did we find under the ledge?
Batwing crab.
Bat-winged crab.
Yeah, and then you found remember?
The stingray.
The southern stingray.
Southern stingray. And we did see spotted
on the first dive. Eagle ray. Also, we saw a tarpon and lobster.
Green moray eel.
Green moray eel, a bunch of turtles. I think it was a pretty successful day, man.
I think that's a good way to start the day after Christmas.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Enjoyed it.